How to plant kale. Hello, welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. How to plant kale. So here I'm just planting. I'm gonna start the seeds in here and then transplant them into the garden. But in the spring like this, you can plant them outdoors. It's a cold weather crop. It should do well in the spring. So what I did was just fill up this. I filled up this seed starting tray, and I'm just gonna plant it. And I filled it up with my seed starting mix. So I have a link in the description that shows you how to make your own seed starting mix for pennies. I'll put that link in the description below. So here we're just gonna plant them. I'm just gonna plant a couple, maybe like 4 in each cell, and then be able to transplant into the garden. So let's plant this. As you can see, it has very tiny seeds, and you want to plant it about 1/4 inch deep. So what we're gonna do is just try to see if we can just do one at a time, like that. Usually what I do is just sprinkle it on top and then just cover it with easy way to do it would be just do it like that, and just cover it with a tiny layer, like a 1/4 inch deep of seed starting mix. So I'm just gonna do that. That will be easier instead of doing each of them. Like I said, I'm putting about 4 or 5 in each cell. And that is it. So we're gonna put the rest back in. Okay. Like that. Like I said, you can just use your finger to press it down like that, like 1/2 inch deep. Push it down, cover it, cover that. So as you see, that one takes a little bit longer and takes a little bit of time. But what I usually just do is get my seed starting mix and just sprinkle just a tiny little bit, just like a 1/2 inch to just cover the seeds. Shouldn't take that much, and it should still germinate. Just have this one that I have to do like that. Some worms here. Okay, that is it. Now we're just gonna water it. You just want to soak it like that, and since it has a lot of holes, it's gonna drain by itself. So if you don't have a spray bottle, like my spray bottle over here, I just wanted to show you guys. If you don't have a spray bottle like this, you can make your own spray bottle with any bottle. So what I did was just get a Gatorade bottle, just make some holes underneath, fill it with water, and then you use it to water your seedlings with it. Just make the very tiny holes. Okay, so that is it. We're just gonna set it aside, and then hopefully we get some results very soon for what we just planted. A couple of days later on, you can see the seeds have started to germinate over here. Microgreens. The seeds have started to germinate, so we should be fine. We'll check back in a couple of days and hopefully we'll get some more germination from the seeds that we just planted. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So here is it. After about 4 days, the seedlings are coming out. They're doing much better, and as you can see, some of them are getting bigger. So that's good. We're just gonna let it continue. You just want to make sure that you maintain the moisture in the soil and just water it regularly, depending on the temperature. Usually it's not too hot, so I water it like every other day. Okay, after about a week or 8 days, this is it right here. It's almost getting ready to be transplanted. You can transplant it like this, that's fine, or you can just let it continue to grow and then transplant it later. So it's doing well, and as you can see, most of the seeds came out, so we should be able to get some good harvest from the kale this year. We should be able to get some kale this year. So let me know in the comments below if you like the video, and if you like these type of videos regularly. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to continue doing videos like this, and stay tuned for the transplant and the harvesting later. Okay, this is it. As you can see, they're all grown up really well. We can transplant them now into our garden or into containers, and be ready to start growing and harvesting some kale. Just let me know in the comments below if you if this is the same way you plant kale, if you start them in a container like this before transplanting them into the garden, or you just plant them into the garden directly. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, that is it for today. I hope this video helps you out. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.